friends, welcome to my channel Ankita and Kunjwal, and my name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old, and today I am going to show you easy ways to pop the balloon. Today I am going to show you 3 ways to pop up the balloon, and the third one is the unique. You have never heard about this before. And watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I am also in Instagram. You can see the link in the description box. And first way is very interesting, comedy. So you need to sit on the balloon. First way is you can burst the balloon by hand and legs. Have you heard the voice? And second way is very common. We are gonna use this toothpick, and it is using for some places. You just need to take the toothpick and do this. It need to be stable. That's it. Very. Third way is my way and very unique. For that we only require orange. You need to peel up the orange and you have to take the peels. I have one peel. You have to require the orange peel and you have to squeeze it to burst the balloon. I am going to do in 3, 2, 1. It works! So friends, try at home. It is very easy to burst a balloon.